Alright, you already had your milk bones. I'll tell you what, I think I got one in my pocket. Hey. No, I don't. You have been acting like a nutcase lately. Yeah, you have. Alright, you took the blanket off the bed and put it on the floor. The cold floor. Oh, you're a monster man. Okay, I gotta go do my walk. You guys can cheer me along. You're getting chubby, boy. You've never been chubby. You need to walk. Maybe I need to harness you up. Yes. Harness you up, take you along. Yeah. You especially. Good Monday morning. We're out at it. Gonna get 5 laps done today. It's 32 degrees. A little windy, but ain't too bad. My hands shouldn't go numb today. I'll probably go to town later today and pick up another pair because we got more 20-degree temperatures coming. All right, man. It's hard to make this walk interesting every single day, but we're gonna try. All right, let's go. There's the trail. There's the can. Got 5 quarters in my pocket. And we are off. Here we go. Hunting season is open. So I gotta hope there ain't no billy bobs on my land back here. Shooting crazily like. I ain't wearing no hunting stuff. I ain't going to. They just better stay off. Do. Yeah, this route's getting boring. But I got pretty far up in there, I guess, when I was gonna make that trail. We're just not gonna go any further. Okay, this has been bugging me. We're gonna get rid of it right now. Right now. Get on over there. See, these vines are what I'm talking about here. They just intertwine everything. Alright, now that path is totally clear. Except for them vines. There we go. Sorry about that. I ain't walking around them no more. No more. Pretty windy this morning. Pretty cloudy. We're supposed to get some rain later this afternoon. But them cows over there like that rain. I don't know if you can see them. I'll bet they're sleeping again. I just know it. Hey! Nomi Nomerson. Milfy Offerson. I'll wake up, come on out there. Oh, now they got a big old hole in their front yard. Hey, let's make a gnome trap. They're gonna come in. They're gonna come out and fall in the hole. we are having a good weight loss week. Yeah. If I keep going on this path, the next weigh-in is going to be a pretty good one. Pretty good one. Yeah, I'm wearing down a path on this route. Takes a lot of trips to do that. If you look straight this way, you can make it out. Got another armadillo in here. Oh, that's deer tracks right there. They came right through here. They're running, hiding. I need to get something constructive done this week. Got a few ideas. All right, first lap complete. I'm gonna do a 180. Cha-ching. Hey, there's quarters in there. All right, man, let's play some music. Here we go.
darkest place, Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world gone bad. Fast. Half the people dying while the rest of us are splitting hairs. It's a good world gone bad.
What you doing, sweet girl? Huh? Oh, are you on the hunt for stuff? Are you on the hunt? All right. Get y'all set up. Coming upon the 5th lap. Oh, I picked up the pace today. Oh. What you doing, Melly? Got Melly out, I got Tilly out. But no sign of the gnomes. Now, I looked in my grocery store yesterday for gnome traps. They were fresh out. So I'm guessing we've got an invasion of them little dudes. But I'm gonna catch them. Isn't that right, Tillers? Are you on the lookout for little gnomes? You know what a gnome is? You gonna give me a paw? Yes, you are. Did you know why? You're a good girl. What do you got on your face? Alright, guys. Appreciate you joining me. That's 5 laps. Cha-ching. If you haven't subscribed, I appreciate if you subscribe. Give me a like, give me an unlike. I don't care. It's all good. And we'll see you tomorrow, providing the weather cooperates. Happy trails.